So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand universal serial bus controllers. Now, if you see anything here that has a yellow sign on it, so any of these USBs that have like a yellow sign on it, then you want to right click on it and then click on uninstall device. And then you want to click on uninstall. So you want to uninstall the device that has a yellow sign on it right here. Now once you do that, you now want to click on action and then scan for hardware changes. The device should now appear again. See if this fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on change advanced power settings. And then once this comes up, you want to find USB settings. You want to expand this. Now you want to expand USB selective suspend setting. You want to make this setting disabled. And then click on OK. See if that works for you. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to click on next. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start running the hardware troubleshooter. If this comes up, you want to click on I don't see my device listed. Wait for this to load. If this comes up, you want to click on enable. Wait for this to load. And then once troubleshooting has been completed, hopefully this will now fix your problem.